guys, Tracy here. Welcome back to the attic. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I hope you find some things that you like in this channel. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and come back and see us often. Today, I'm doing a flip through of my design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. We've been working with the kit Visions of Nightshade. This is a beautiful kit full of florals, fairies, deep purples, deep blues. It's absolutely beautiful, and I have loved and enjoyed every minute of working with this kit. For my design team project, I actually did 3 single signature journals, and I've actually given them names of the Nightshade family. I have Belladonna, Petunia, and Henbane. I'm going to do a flip through of one of them really in depth, and then do the other 2 kind of fast forward, because they're very similar. They're not identical, but they are very similar. As for the kit for Visions of Nightshade, you can find this in Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. You can find this in her Etsy shop. I will have the link in the description below. And from now until June 30th, you can use a code that will be in the description to get 30% off this kit. That's from now until June 30th. So let's get started going through the journals. For the first journal, Belladonna, just tied it with the closures, just some eggplant ribbon. They are soft covered journals that I use recycling Amazon packing material. I've created a dangle, and we're going to actually start from the back so I can take this dangle off. The dangle is on an altered paper clip. When you close it up, it can go across the front just like that. These are embellishments that were in her kit. What I did is on my computer, I just flipped the image. That way I could do a front and back, and then laminated that, and then made my charm dangles from that with some little fairy wings. I'm going to go ahead and take that altered paper clip off, and then we'll go back to the front. On the front cover, I used one of her images. I've named this cat Belladonna. I actually have a cat named Belladonna, but she is a solid white cat, so this is a little opposite from her, but she helps me craft every day. And what I've done is I've sewed this image onto the soft cover. And then the inside, I've got a corner tuck pocket that I've done some sewing embellishments here. If you've seen some of my other videos, you may have seen a quick little tutorial video where I created this little mixed media notebook. And then I've just used some pages in the kit. I have sewn around and done some sewn edging. Here I created an envelope pocket. Again, using pages from the kit to decorate it. Did that inside the window here. Also on the back, got a notebook style journaling card here. Use some ledger paper. Another embellishment that I cut out from the kit. Did some sentiment stamping. Got a little side tuck spot here with 3 little journaling cards. Did a little mixed media, some coffee dyed paper for those. Did some stamping, little moth butterfly there. More journaling pages with the sewn edges. Another corner tuck spot here. Tag from the kit. I took some stickles and did the centers of the flowers to add some glitter and sparkle to those. Just did a ribbon pull there using a tiny attacher. Did some stenciling. Another journal card. Made some fairy wax seals. Used some leaf ribbon. Did a fabric belly band to match the cover there. Here I've just got the bundle that goes under the belly band clipped with a spiral paper clip. Have a journal card. Another journal card I created. Little envelope, coin envelope that was part of the kit. I actually did do this at 50%, so the actual coin envelope in the kit is twice this size. I just shrank it down so it would fit in some of the areas I wanted to use. Did some tags with some little embroidery thread pulls. Used the loop and hook Velcro closures. This back. And that just tucks right back under the belly band. I left a lot of room for journaling in these notebooks. Did some embellishment on some children's writing tablets. And these, again, I can't speak highly enough of how beautiful these pages are in this kit. The vibrant colors and the images she used are just beautiful. This is the center of the signature. Just did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. For this one, I did some embellishment dangles on the extra threading. Got some sentiments in the corners here. Again, more journaling spots. Another wax seal. Did some coffee dyed paper underneath that. Got another corner pocket tuck here. Journaling card. You might notice if you saw some of the other video of one of the projects I was doing for this, this is the center piece that I cut out, and I just made use of that. Got stacked pockets here, journaling tags. Did some more sewn edging around the pages. Here I just did some 3D flower embellishments. Ledger paper again. Here I've got a little side pocket. These are the specimen cards I made in a previous video. More journaling tags, journaling cards. That same eggplant ribbon pull. Beautiful fairy. And on the back cover, I've got another corner pocket. These could be used like bookmarks or journaling tags. And then the back, again, is that soft cover. All right. I'm going to flip through these other ones fairly quickly. And going to speed that up, so I'm not going to talk through them. But again, Petunia and Henbane. Again, I wanted to thank Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations for allowing me to be a part of her design team. I have thoroughly enjoyed creating with this kit, Visions of Nightshade. It has truly been a lovely kit to work with. I will link in the description the link to her Etsy shop. There will also be a coupon code again for 30% off from now until June 30th. So please go over and pick that up while it's on sale with the coupon code. I hope y'all have enjoyed the flip through of the 3 of the journals. I am going to be doing a giveaway of 1 of the journals. The way you enter the giveaway is I need you to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. In the comment, I want you to tell me one thing that you liked best about Stacy's kit, Visions of Nightshade. Again, like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me one thing that you liked best about Stacy's kit, Visions of Nightshade. Again, you can find her kit at her Etsy shop at Crafty Dragon Creations. That information will be in the description box along with the code for 30% off from now until June 30th. I will be leaving this giveaway open until May 25th. After May 25th, I will close the comments. And at that time, I'll be making a video selecting a winner from the comments. I do need to be able to see that you have liked and subscribed and commented for you to be eligible to win. If you have subscribed and your subscriptions are not public and I can't tell that you subscribed to the channel, unfortunately, you will not be eligible. Once I have drawn the winner for the journal, I will let the winner choose whichever journal they would like, be it Henbane, Petunia, or Belladonna. And after that, I will put the other 2 for sale either on my Etsy or my Ko-fi shop. Until next time, y'all take care.